Hi, this is a video showcasing an Arma script I built to help me record gameplay footage. So to make the editing of my videos more interesting to me, I record my first-person regular gameplay on my usual gaming machine, but at the same time I have a secondary computer logged into the same multiplayer mission. On that other computer, I've been using the Splendid camera or the Gcam mod to get those third-person perspectives. Gcam has done a good job in the past of following along one set, but it required sporadic attention from me as I had to adjust the camera along with my actual character at the same time, which could be awkward during an assault. I wrote the script to solve that exact problem. I wanted to automate the camera switching off perspective. I got into the habit of calling that script indiCam, which is short for independent camera. It's fairly autonomous now, and it's providing me with usable video. It's already in a bunch of videos since a few months back, but it is of course not perfect. The camera movement can sometimes be very jittery in certain situations, and it's not that well tested in conjunction with other mods or scripts that use cameras, so there's that. I decided to post it despite its current state and call that first version, since it actually does what I set out to accomplish, but it's also going out while I still have the ability and also motivation to keep working on it. Additionally, I have had friends tell me that they would be interested in it, so maybe others are too. I've noticed that I can't be overly clear about needing another computer with Arma running to achieve the same results that I get. When the camera is in use, the player who is running it can't use his character while it's on. The script isn't doing any of the recording either, so you'll have to start the indiCam camera and then record the screen with screen recording software like OBS, DxTory or Shadowplay. But that won't stop you from recording the gameplay of other people or AI in the same mission. I see three ways to use this script. One is to use as a secondary perspective for your own gameplay by recording from a second computer, like a spare laptop or something you might have lying around. It can also be used as a secondary perspective for a friend playing the game while you set the camera to spectate and or record their game without having to be that much involved. Moreover, it can be used in a single player or multiplayer environment to spectate AI battle other AI. It actually works as sort of a screensaver, if nothing else. indiCam exists as a mod version and a script version, so a mission creator can put it into a mission and control how it operates that way. The mod version can of course be used in any mission as long as the server allows it, like with any mods. I'll stick to the mod version in this video. To show it off, I'll select an actor for the camera by using the action menu to select among blue forces. That brings us up the map, and currently these blinking dots will show where they all are. It's also possible to select units from other factions, but for now the options are blue or everyone else. The script will select the closest unit within 100 meters of the point you clicked on, so aim well. That will automatically close the map, and now we can start the camera with the action menu. Once started, the script will then switch between scenes automatically and follow the actor around. A scene is a set of conditions that states what the camera is supposed to try and do in order to follow the actor around in a particular way. So it's not just a camera angle, it is controlling camera movement, scene duration, field of view, and some other stuff. Each scene does a visibility test of the actor before being applied. If the upcoming camera position won't work out, it'll go back and try another one until it finds a scene where the camera has a line of sight to the actor's eyes, and then the scene switch happens. If the actor's eyes are hidden for a set amount of time during a scene, it will automatically switch to a new scene that has line of sight again. That means it will follow a unit inside of a building, for example. But keep in mind, nothing about the script is perfect regarding that. As the camera is running, there are a few key presses you can use. F1 will close the camera once it's been started. F2 will force a switch to a new scene. F5 and F6 will switch between view modes. Currently, all Arma view modes are in. Everything from night vision to that crazy predator vision is there. indiCam will only pick from scenes that it deems appropriate for the current situation. The largest factor that the script will take into account is what vehicle type the actor is using and select from scenes tailored to that. The most common type is on foot, which in this case is considered a vehicle type. Then there are cars and trucks as one category, tanks is one vehicle type, planes and helicopters are considered the same at the moment. There is also the category of boats or ships. Next, there is a situation type that the script will take into account after vehicle type. Typically that is speed, altitude, and level of action. Lower speeds means that the camera can get in closer to a Vic, and higher altitudes above ground lets the camera choose positions below an aircraft, for example. When on foot, the level of action will decide on what scenes to use. Simply put, more shooting means more action. The more lead the actor lets out, the more hectic the scenes get with close-ups and body cams and such. And that basically is what the script can do at the moment. There's an insane amount of stuff that I would like to fix and an even larger amount of ideas that I want to implement, but the first order of business is more polish and to add more scenes to the different vehicle types. I want as much as possible of the recorded video to be usable in an editing situation. If you are interested in more detail on what's going on, check the Bohemia forum post or the indiCam Discord for that. Anyway, I think that's the TLDR of it, so stay cool, keep warm.